या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै.
Welcome friends! Today Naima is making SOOJI halwa. It's a traditional dish especially for Navratri, the festival of Ma Durga, late September, October. What are the ingredients? Let's find out. So we can begin with grounded cardamom, and here we have semola, 1 cup. It's a tablespoon of the cardamom, and then a little bit of golden raisins, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar or jaggery. Nuts, it's almond, cashew and pistachio. And then we have some almond milk, 3 cups of water, 1 cup, the same amount of semola of ghee, clarified butter, and a pinch of saffron. So Naima, this is a traditional dish made for Navratri.
Yes.
Can you please pronounce it correctly?
Actually, Navratri, that actually means no, meaning 9, Ratri meaning nights. So we are talking about 9 nights to celebrate Ma Durga, which is our deity, actually not just my grandfather's deity in Jammu, Kashmir. Vaishno Devi, she was the deity that my grandfather paid homage to. She is a bestower of children, wealth and strength. So to celebrate this Navratri, I always make Suji halwa that I learned from my mother. So guys, what we can do, which is optional, is to just fry it, the Suji semolina, for 5 minutes. I do that. And the reason I do this is that it gives really crunchy taste. So not only does this take out the starch, it also makes it taste much better. But guys, remember to keep stirring because it can get burnt and you don't want that. So keep stirring this. Now the water is boiling. That's the time I take in the cardamom. You see that? And this is very good for the digestive system and it tastes very yummy. Then once I put in that, the cardamom, I can put in the sugar, jaggery, or like I told you, good. It's also very nice. And here you can see my almond milk. It has started boiling. It's hot. This is when I put in the saffron. And the saffron, it makes it so nice, the taste and the color. You guys can see the colors eventually. I keep mixing it with the almond milk. And you see the yellowish kind of deep, that only saffron has. That color will start resurfacing from the almond milk. So now this is finished, the semolina, Suji. And now I can heat up the ghee, and I like to use desi ghee because that's just like mom makes it. Now all the starch is out and you can look at the semolina is like golden brownish color. You can see that once you know, then you know it's finished, that brownish color. So guys, here you need to do a few things. You have to multitask. So you know, I like to have all the nuts, many different nuts. I want them in the ghee. I fry them in the ghee for a little while. So now the nuts have been frying for 3-4 minutes, and now I put in the kishmish, the raisin. And now guys, I hurry up and take out everything. See how I use this? I save time with this. All this, and you have all the raisin, they are bloated out. That's how you know you have to take everything out. I like to add, this is optional, I like to add a little bit of coconut oil in here because it gives it a little bit coconutty taste. And here is the clue. I put the heat up, I have it medium heat, and you can look for yourself. I mix it here, I put all the ghee over. So now I put the semolina in here, the suji, and I'm going to fry it for another 5-6 minutes. And you can see here, it's all moist is out because I fried it first, like dry fried it. And now you can see what I do. It's so easy. I take the nuts. You can see here, I put all the nuts in. I like to use all the ghee and the oil. So you can see there is bubbling now. I'm mixing it with the suji. Also here guys, make sure you're always stirring it. Okay. Now I take the heat all the way down. Ready? And I put all the water in with the sugar, with the, you see here, this is very crucial time because it can get burned. And I want all the cardamom with me. You see here, oh, I lost a little bit cardamom here. You see here, actually here is also the time I take the saffron with the almond milk in here, and you mix it all together. And you can see the cardamom beads in there, the raisin. You see here, this is the trick guys, to make perfect suji ka halwa. I love it, it's my favorite. Yeah. So guys, please make it with your family, share it and like it. Tell me what you think, and happy Navaratri to all of you. Thank you.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायेति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै